Hello, good afternoon. This is a group 2 presenting Project Repository System Architecture. The introduction part. We are 3 in the group. Me, that is Chandra Irene, Msimbuzi Bernard, and Mugizi Ismail, Mugizi Abdul Hakim. So here it is the definition of the architectural design. Actually, it is the process for identifying the subsystem, making up a system, and framework for the system control and communication. It mainly shows how the subsystem will be arranged to form a complete system and their interaction. This is how our architectural design for the final year project repository looks like. We have the user interface, we have the app layer, the user management service, the project management service, and then here's the database and file storage. How it works, my colleague is going to take you through.
Alright, here I have mainly the user interface which the students and faculty members can use. Then we have the API, which is responsible for rendering our requests on the user interface from the back end. Then we have the project management services. This can include authentication to access these services, then user management, then the database, and also file storage for storing like the documentation on different aspects of the project, maybe like the concept note, like the report, the proposals, etc. And also, basically those. Let me give to Kim.
Yes, good evening. So here we shall go to the MVC, which is the model view control of the system. So here we have the view. For the view we have the user interfaces, which will be the interfaces that the user will be interacting with. And then we have the controller here. The user will be controlling, like sending requests to the model. And then we have the model, which is a repository. So this one will be acting as it will be storing the databases and etc. So we have the architecture views, which include the logical view and then the security view. Okay, there are many, but we were asked to do two. So for the logical view, we have the user interface, we have the data access, and then application logic. So user interface, this one acts. These are the interface that the user will be interacting with. Then the data access, that will be showing the data of the user. Then the application logic, where the user sends the request to the application. Then also have the security view. This one, its main objective is to provide security to the system. For example, authentication, risk management, and the vulnerabilities within the system. That's all.